Hey guys, what's going on? It's Nelson Trout here from Trout's Adventures. And today, guys, looks like we got what seems to be a train coming. This crossing has just activated. And a train is coming. Bum, 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 bum. And train's going. And the train is going. Well, I guess that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. And if you guys did, then I'd be sure to go down and punch the subscribe button. Also punch the bell to miss any new videos. Also down there, go and like the video if you guys like it. Show what you guys want me to do some more Railfanning videos. That's gonna do it. Good luck on your adventures. Travel safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!